No, I mean, I think these, obviously they're marvellous, aren't they, because it clearly shows horrendous damage of the piece.
Yes.
And it was, you know, it was far more damage than I contemplated when I went down to see it. But we just thought, well, save it. You know.
Yeah, I quite like the idea of having their manifesto up. And
Yeah.
having something, a presence of them there, like...
And I think you said some samples, didn't you?
Yeah,
some
I think
actual
they
samples. They
that
hardly
they've got
suggest
here,
it's the
fashion
top
sheet.
one. It's only the top one. They're talking about things that we can do with
An
it.
installation focused around mending,
Yeah.
upcycling, stitching, and expressing your individual
Yeah.
style, including showcasing mended and upcycled garments.
Yeah,
That's what
fine.
that is.
Yeah, okay. Photographs.
As we've talked
Yes.
about,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've
And
got
then
that.
behind that one, you've just got a manifesto.
Yeah. So the dye samples we're not using.
We couldn't in that case. We could put them on the
No.
wall
I
with
feel
the
like
photographs if it was.
I feel like the
Yeah.
Zemsey stuff needs to be kept to one form.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
wouldn't want
yeah.
to add the complication of a book. Print out the conservation report.
Yes.
We're not printing it out to show people that we go through meticulously page by page. We frame up the dye samples and put them in a frame on the wall.
Oh.
With sort of photographs around it.
Well, the conservation report is there, like this.
Yeah.
And then at some point that works graphically,
Yeah.
we have a
Oh, you have a frame
Yeah.
with the dye
on the
samples.
top of it.
Yeah.
Or below.
That's
So
great.
this is almost like a wallpaper.
Yeah, and then the frame's just
Yeah.
there because they're really precious.
Yeah.
Because she needs them back.
Well, they're unique.
They are, yeah, whereas everything else is
Whereas this is a
Yeah.
printout.
Yeah.
Well, that's a nice idea.
Yeah.
And the manifesto.
Yeah.
Yeah.